Assalamualaikum. Dear students, today we will go through the use of preposition, how preposition is used. Let's have a definition of preposition from Oxford Dictionary. This definition is taken from Oxford Dictionary, 9th edition. Its definition is a word or a group of words such as in, from, to, out, of, on behalf of, used before a noun or a pronoun to show, place, position, time or method are known as prepositions. This is the definition of prepositions. We will go through prepositions one by one. Now let's have how many kinds of prepositions are. Generally there are 4 prepositions with regard to their formation: simple prepositions, compound prepositions, phrase prepositions or a prepositional phrases, and participle prepositions. First we will go through the simple prepositions. What are simple prepositions? Now prepositions we will go through in detail one by one. We will take a pointer. Now this is on preposition. We will go through its usages, how we can use on preposition in different contexts. Now its first usage is in our into position, covering, touching or for forming a part of a surface such as a picture on a wall. Now it is indicating surface. And second sentence, there is a mark on your skirt. Now on denotes the surface of your skirt, means there is a mark on your skirt. The diagram on page 5. Here this is a phrase, that's why we will not put full stop here. It's a correct. Put it down on the table. It is a complete sentence, that's why we have put here full stop. You can see here it is a full stop. Okay, put it down on the table. Now we are showing the on is denoting surface, that there we should put down something on the table. He had been hit on the head. Okay, on is denoting here surface. She climbed onto the bed. Now here on to the bed. Now this is the first use of on preposition. Now second use, that supported by or somebody, something. She was standing on one foot. Here on is showing that something is supported by, that she was standing on one foot. Try lying on your back. Now on is showing. Hang your coat on that hook. Now second usage is completed on preposition. Now point number 3, used to show a means of transport. He was on the plane from New York. Here we will use on preposition for plane, bus or tube, coach. To travel on tube, travel on the bus or travel on a coach. I came on my bike. Here we would use on preposition for bike. A woman on horseback. Here on is used. The second point number 4, used to show a day or date. Dear students, on is used for day and dates. We meet on Tuesdays. Here for days we have used on preposition. On May, the first of May. On the evening of May, the 1st. On one occasion, on your birthday. Now these are examples of day or date. Now uses number 5, immediately after something. On arriving home, I discovered they had gone. Please report to reception on arrival. There was a letter waiting for him on his return. Now it's usage number 4. Audience, these usages are taken from Oxford Dictionary. They are valid and authenticated. Now point number 6, about something or somebody. A book on South Africa. Now here it shows the topic. Okay, such as we say write an essay on corruption, terrorism, education. She tested us on irregular verbs. Now here, that what you are tested on, you would write object, the irregular verbs. Exercise number 7. Being carried by somebody, in the possession of somebody. Have you got any money on you? Here, if you possess something, we would use on. For example, do you have any money now? On means on the spot of the moment, and we have something. Point number 8, used to show that somebody belongs to a group or organization. To be on the committee, staff, jury, panel. We use on preposition for committee, staff. Most of the people say that I am in the committee. This is a wrong sentence. The right sentence is I am on the committee, I am on the staff. We would use such expressions. Now, whose side are you on? Here we have used on preposition. Eating, point number 9, eating or drinking something, using a drug or a medicine regularly. He lived on a diet of junk food. Here on. The doctor put me on antibiotics. We can use on also. For example, we say elephants live on leaves. Okay. I live on vegetable. These are examples of on prepositions for eating or drinking something. And point number 10. We used to show direction. On the left. He turned his back on us. Now, usage number 11. 8 or near a place. A town on the coast. A house on the Thames. Thames is the name of river. And for the names of river, we put the article. He lived on and stayed. Here on is used. For example, we can say Sakhar is situated on the Indus bank. Now we have used here on preposition. Now usage number 12. Used to show the basis or reason for something. A story based on fact. On their advice, I applied for job. Here on. Now point number 13. Paid for by something. To live on pension. A student grant, or to be on a low wage. You cannot feed a family on 50 euro a week. Drinks are on me. It means I am going to pay the bill of drinks. Here we have used on preposition. Now point number, usage number 14, by means of something, using something. She played a tune on her guitar. Now here, for instrument we use, if you are using an instrument or any device, we will use on preposition. The information is available on the internet. Here, the source. We spoke on the phone. The phone is device. For device we use on preposition. What's on television? Now it is used for program. What's on television? The program is on channel 4. Here it means program is apostrophe is added there. Okay. Now we would go through the uses number 15. Used to show, used with some nouns or adjectives to say who or what is affected by something. A ban on smoking. he is hard on his kids means his behavior, his attitude is very difficult on his kids. Go easy on the Mayo. Don't take or give mean too much. Point number 16, compare with somebody, something. Sales are up on last year. Point number 17, use to describe an activity or state to be on business, holiday, vacation. Okay, one thing you must bear in mind that vacation does not take as in plural. It is, we can say, the period of holidays is known as vacation. Period of holidays. Most of the time teachers and students write vacations. It is wrong. Write is vacation, not vacations. Keep this point in your mind. The book is currently on loan, and we have last usage according to Oxford Dictionary that I used when giving a telephone number. You can get me on 020-7946-0887. She is on extension 2401. Now next video we will cover another preposition, and we will describe and discuss the usages of preposition one by one, so that you may find it easy to use them and utilize prepositions in a correct way. Okay. Thank you very much.